Hello everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature Art in Life. I have a Dollar Tree and a Dollarama haul for you, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I needed to go to Dollarama and I was on the hunt for some cozy fuzzy socks and I couldn't find the ones I was looking for. So I tried Dollar Tree, again, couldn't find the ones I was looking for, but of course I found a few other things. Don't we always do that? So I found first this glitter and bead jars, and they had other colors, but I thought this was really pretty. I don't have a whole lot of silver stuff, so I wanted to add to my stash. These would be great for some shakers. And I found these gorgeous beads. These are so pretty and they're iridescent flowers, lots of beautiful colors. And then a few other things I just needed to stock up on pebbles. And I use this for my gnomes. And then I wanted just a small container of some gloss Mod Podge. It's great to have just a little bottle on hand for when you need just something quick, especially for my videos. So I grabbed one of those. Okay, and then for Christmas stuff, I grabbed a couple of little gift boxes. I wanted to make a few things and put them in these. So I grabbed these cute little penguins with the snowmen. I thought they were just so adorable. Oh, this is for a gift card. I didn't realize that, but you can take that portion out. Again, for a gift card. But yeah, I thought they were cute. And then I saw my friend Cher from Crafty Cher Cupcake haul these cute burlap bags. And I grabbed 2 packages of the ones with the trees. I loved these ones. I thought they were so beautiful. I actually thought that these would make really, really pretty ornaments, or you could just hang them up and put some treats inside. You could even put it on the table as a place setting and put your cutlery in there. Just tie it up like that. And oh, I just thought these were so pretty. So yeah, I grabbed just 2 packages and there was 3 in each. Okay, and this is one thing that I was hoping that they would have, because I am working on a December journal and I just loved these. I thought they would look very retro and vintage. And then I grabbed these ones as well. I just thought, again, very retro and vintage, and I just thought these were just so fun. So there was 10 in each. Okay, and now on to Dollarama. I got these really cute honeycomb cocktail picks, and they're like little trees. I thought these would be really pretty to embellish some different things. And then my son, he likes to make ornaments for his Oma and his grandma. And so I just buy the kits. That's what he likes to put together. So I got the one with the penguins and then the snowmen. These are great for boys if they're not really into crafting, because everything is just laid out for them and all they have to do is glue it together. So yeah, that's something I highly recommend. And then I got a roll of this faux fur. Now, I just recently did like a small little craft sale out of my mom's garage. And it went really well. People love the gnomes. So I saw this and I thought I should get a roll while I can so I can make some gnomes for you next year. And these would be great for, yeah, all kinds. Like this would be great for stocking trim. Yeah, so I had seen my friend Tina Kazarian haul this, and I'm like, oh, good. I'm glad that they have it in again this year. Need it for my stash. And lastly, I found these gnome cars, and I was so hoping I would find these. I thought these would be so fun to use this year to give as cards, and the kids could use them, and I can use them in my journal. And you know how much I all love gnomes. Just love them so much. Okay, so here are these 2. I love this one, Chris with my gnomies. I love that. And then there's these ones with the red truck. So cute. So I can't wait to play around with those. Okay, it was a quick little haul. That was everything. I did get a few other things. They were stocking stuffers, and I don't want my kids to see that stuff, so didn't share all that. Anyways, let me know any of the fun finds that you found lately and what your favorite item here was. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.